Good evening, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Advance Happy New Year. I'm wearing this one because I'm feeling so cold, very cold. The aircon in the weather also is very cold. I miss you all, guys. Very long time I did not do this because I've been busy lately. So many event, Christmas party, and awarding ceremony in our church. So many occasion. I've been busy this month of December. Anyway, I miss you all, and I just want to greet you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year because I'm gonna be busy this coming 24 because it's already Christmas. We need to prepare for what we have on 24. I hope you enjoy your Christmas, especially to those who have family. Eating together in Christmas Eve. Me, I don't have family. I've been here in my employer's house. Very long time I won't be able to vacation to Philippines because every Christmas the airline ticket is so expensive. I cannot afford to buy airline ticket. And very seldom I'm going to vacation because every time I go vacation, I need big amount of money to be able to vacation. Because need pasalubong, transportation, and daily expenses. Too much. The 3 years savings will finish in 1 month vacation. It's hard to save money and then it will finish in only 1 month. Anyway, guys, have a good night's sleep and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I miss you all and I love you all. Bye.